Imagine say you want withdraw money, let's say 5k. So you go bank ATM or POS with your junction. The moment you put your card inside that machine and they ask you savings or current, and then you put your PIN, you have given that machine permission to go check your account for bank whether you get that money. If the money wey dey there reach 5k, they go pay you. If the money no reach 5k, you go see insufficient funds. And if network hang, you go see issuer or user switch inoperative. Now, everything that we have just explained now, everything which just happened now, if you package everything and put it into a code and deploy it on the blockchain, ladies and gentlemen, that is a smart contract. A smart contract is code that is on the blockchain that executes automatically when certain conditions are met. That's what it just be. This is Crypto Simplified. Today we'll be discussing smart contracts. So based on our earlier definition, smart contract no be like ordinary contract wey dey design for paper. Na computer code wey dey type for computer, come upload or deploy for blockchain. This smart contract is very important for crypto. It is at the foundation of a lot of things in crypto. If, for instance, the guy dey work for company, your guy go tell finance department to pay am salary at the end of the month. That na instruction. But dem go pay that worker if the worker come work from Monday to Friday every week and do the job well from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. That na condition or conditions. So based on this, at the end of the month, finance department go check if you come work from Monday to Friday every week, if you do your job well, or if you at work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you meet all these conditions, then they go pay you. If you don't meet all these conditions, then maybe if you pay you part if you no come complete, or if you no get salary at all sef. This thing na real life situation, and you fit use smart contracts give the same instruction and you go follow the same condition, but it go just be say na computer code wey dey blockchain, and you fit trust that computer software say e no go disobey, e no go hear oga abeg o, my wife no well, traffic bin dey. E go do im job and e no go fail on time every time according to that instruction. By now, you go don know say smart contract must dey blockchain for am to work. The most common blockchain for smart contracts na Ethereum blockchain. E dey use programming language wey dey call Solidity. So even you sef, you fit write smart contracts on Ethereum, or you fit write for other blockchains like Solana, Cardano, amongst others. And you fit write smart contract for anything. You fit do am for betting if you like sef. You can say everybody go stake a minimum of 1 Ethereum on the day wey fowl go grow teeth. Anybody wey go stake go choose their date. Some go choose 17, some go choose 21. Anybody wey im date dey closest go carry all the money. If more than one person get the correct date, the smart contract go share the money equally among all of them. And because you don write that smart contract, e go know when more than one person win am, so e go share the money equally. You can also create smart contracts to swap cryptocurrency. If, for instance, 0.05 BTC na $3,500, and at the same time 1 Ethereum na still $3,500, you fit write smart contracts wey go allow people swap crypto with each other without ojoro, because the smart contract go calculate the exchange rates and tell them how much they go pay and how much they go get. This is where smart contract is used for something wey they call DeFi, decentralized finance. No fear, we go do video for decentralized finance and other videos later. Just follow Skye Wallet and Skye Wallet Academy and you will get notification for when those videos come out. You know, this thing I just mentioned now, swapping Bitcoin for Ethereum, it reminds you of anything. You fit use am for borrow the change. You fit swap naira, borrow the change, na exactly the same principle. So you should write smart contract for 10 people or for 1 million people. You should write smart contracts for anything. And also, make I just talk this one first. If you go gamble responsibly. Make them no go ask you what is cash out. Now, we don't describe smart contract. Here now, we fit just end the video. I'm sure you understand what it be. But we still need to ask question. What are those features? What are those characteristics of smart contracts? Number one, smart contracts are distributed. One of the reasons why we dey trust smart contract is because it is distributed on the blockchain. Everybody dey see am. Everybody get copy of the blockchain. So nobody fit hide anything. Number two, smart contract dey immutable. This one means say you no go fit change am. Anything wey you write for smart contract, Any instruction wey you give am, any condition wey you set, once you upload am or deploy am to the blockchain, you no fit change am. You wey create the smart contract sef, you no fit control am again, don come for your hand. E belong to the blockchain now. Number 3, smart contract dey autonomous. Dis one dey simple, e dey act on e own. E dey make decision based on instruction wey you give am before you deploy. So e dey think, na why dey call am, na why e smart. Number 4, smart contract is deterministic and customizable. Leave English. E simply mean say smart contract get mind of e own. Smart contract no fit talk say I don't know, maybe, or I dey come go ask my oga. Smart contract know wetin e dey do. E sabi im work, dey very focused, dey mind im business. Smart contract get wetin e dey achieve. Like that example wey I give you before of wey dey pay salary. Smart contract can never go and start doing HR work. That smart contract na for paying salary. Nothing concern employing staff. That smart contract go only work end of the month. So for the whole month, nothing concern am. End of the month, you go just go check all those conditions, follow instruction. That's all. Then number 5, smart contract is trustless and transparent. Everything about blockchain and crypto is clear. For example, that our betting smart contract we do for fowl teeth. You no go just follow anybody dey shout, I no gree, give am. As you meet the condition e dey pay you, you no need anybody to tell am. Na why we call am trustless. You don't need to trust anybody to do it. And as with all things, everybody can see the code. No transaction is hidden. You fit see the code base of Bitcoin, like the actual Bitcoin, the code wey dey power Bitcoin, you can see it, e dey there. It's on the internet. You can see the very first transaction of Bitcoin. Everything dey blockchain. All these conditions and instructions of every smart contract is stated for everybody to see. If you go try use am for something else, e no go work. Now wey we don understand the different features of smart contracts, we need to talk about the other side of smart contracts, because nothing is perfect. Remember say na human being dey type these smart contracts. If the human being type error for the code and deploy am on the blockchain, that error don dey there be that, and nothing wey anybody fit do to change am. For example, if you create smart contract and you say pay 10,000 to 10 people on the 19th if they upload valid NIN, you see say you don give am instruction and you don give am condition. If those people, or if one of those people just go there, go ask the smart contract for $10,000, and the smart contract get dollar inside there, you go pay that person dollars. That is because you no specify whether na 10,000 naira or $10,000 or 10,000 pounds. You dey see say na error be that. Now this kind of error dey make hackers dey fit hack some smart contracts. Remember, once you don upload am, you no fit make changes. So wetin some people dey do be say there are some companies wey be say they dey audit smart contracts and blockchains and crypto codes to find errors. That na one way wey dey prevent am. Some other companies, especially very, very big companies wey dey very popular, they go just post the code online on the internet and then tell people say, oh yeah, if you can find error in this thing, help us find error, we will give you money. That's another way of using your community to find flaw in your project. Then finally, how do we stop a smart contract? If we say when we upload smart contracts, nobody fit cancel am, nobody fit change am. So are we saying smart contract will just go forever like that at the end of time? Yes and no. Now let me explain. Because once you have uploaded it, you cannot change anything. That means you need to put wetin go end that smart contract before you upload am. I go explain. Let's say for instance, you dey write smart contract, you come tell the smart contract, on 31st of December, stop working. That's what we call a kill switch. Everybody wey dey create smart contracts, they can put a kill switch in it that will say, if you meet this condition, like this our money wey we dey pay now, once you pay the 10th person like this for the month and 31st of December, that is the end. Kill switch don execute. So that is the only way you can actually stop a smart contract. You have to put the condition wey go stop am inside the smart contract before you upload. I sure say by now all of us don't know wetin be smart contract, because it has been simplified. If you have any questions, please ask us in the comment section and we will willingly answer. And just so you know, CryptoSimplified is brought to you by the Skye Wallet Academy, a subsidiary of Skye Wallet. Skye Wallet and cryptocurrency exchange where you fit buy, sell, swap, and even save your cryptocurrency. And guess what? It's even simpler than this video self. That's all for now, guys. It go be.